Hello, welcome back to Work From Home Break Room. I am back with another remote position for you. This time it is from a company called Accenture. Accenture is currently hiring for a customer service representative. So let's take a look and see what's in it for you. Collaborate with a diverse network of people. Actively deliver innovative solutions for Accenture's clients. Apply your skills and experience to help drive business transformation. Work locally or remotely, significantly reducing or eliminating the demands to travel. Must be available for any 8-hour shift from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Role is remote, but if you live in any of these locations, you can work in the office. So the agent is responsible for ensuring accurate data is entered in the TPL databases, networks, applications, maintaining ongoing phone calls in a call center environment. So if you are interested in this position, go down into the description bar below and you will find the link to this position. Go ahead and apply. Make sure that you tailor your resume to this position, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.